Meanwhile, a vaccine for children above the age of 12 has gotten approval in India now, but this vaccine will not be given to healthy children in the country just yet. What's the plan then for the rollout? Sneha Mardani with this exclusive report.
If you have a child without comorbidities, you will have to wait until next year to get the child a shot against COVID-19. This is what has been planned by the government. In an exclusive interview to India Today, the head of the government's vaccine advisory panel has said that, like in the case of adults, India will be prioritizing children too for vaccines.
Below 18 years, we have around 42 to 44 crore children. So at the moment, till adults are immunized, we will prioritize children with comorbidity, even with 2 years onwards, all those who have comorbidities. And subsequently, once they are there, in the first quarter of hopefully in 2022, all children can be offered.
Here are the demographics of the unvaccinated category in India. There are 12 crore children between the age of 12 to 17. 1% amongst them have comorbidities. 44 crore children are between the age of 2 to 18, and this group is eligible for Covaxin. The government will identify the list of comorbidities and share the list with states before the actual rollout happens. Right now, this list includes ailments like tuberculosis, cancer, transplant patients, and children with immunodeficiencies. Are the comorbidities going to be very similar to what was earlier identified for the general population also?
Yes, okay. That's true, but there may be other, because as I said, congenital conditions. Children are born with certain comorbidities, and they would also be essentially part of such list.
Genetic disorders is what you're trying to say?
Yeah, one important example is congenital heart disease, for example.
Okay.
But we'll have a very detailed list on that.
As for the actual rollout, for even those without comorbidities, it won't happen instantly. But there are questions being raised on when will this actual rollout of ZyCoV-D for children start, given the limitations in the manufacturing.
The vaccine is likely to be rolled out in October, first week of October.
Okay.
And over next coming few weeks, we will prepare this list, and the state governments and the overall immunization system will prepare itself so that there is no difficulty for parents to bring their children and get them immunized.
However, like the World Health Organization, the UNICEF and global experts world over, the Indian government too says that children need not wait for vaccines to go back to schools. In New Delhi, Sneha Mardani for India Today.